Hey guys, just a quick unboxing of the Linksys wireless and Ethernet bridge. This is compatible with any device or computer with a Ethernet port. So yeah, let's get started. I bought this so I could connect my PowerMac G4 to my wireless network. So hopefully this works. Hello. Oh. So we have the CDs and documents, and then we have the AC adapter. It's pretty slim, it'll fit in pretty much any power storage. And then the Ethernet bridge. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it was a lot bigger. It looks a lot bigger, but yeah, it's a lot smaller, which is good because my desk is pretty much has to be compact. And then comes with a Ethernet cable. It's a pretty standard Ethernet cable. It's about 3 feet long. So, yeah. And a empty box, except for the holder thing. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe.